Okay, so for those of you who've never seen cicadas or heard of them or had to deal with them, this is what we're dealing with right now. Oh, there's a nice little mosquito in there too. Uh, yeah, this is what they do. They swarm. They just swarm and they make noise. Right now it's early and they haven't really started squeaking and carrying on, but this is what they do. You know, they're everywhere. And nobody wants to touch them. At least I don't. And they don't. Oh my God, I don't want them on me. Thank God for a screened in porch. I don't know what it is about this corner, but this is the gathering spot, it appears. And I don't know if you can see at a distance, if you could just look out beyond the screen, because I'm not going out past the screen. Can you just see them? They're just flying around. They're just flying everywhere. And the trees just, and if you listen, now this is a mild sound. I'm going to take you probably around the front because that tree in the front, you can hear just the sound. It's just unbelievable. But this is cicada now. This is supposed to be the height and week. They're at their peak now. And after this week, they're going to start dying out for probably about another 3 weeks. It'll take about 3 weeks for them to be gone. This is what we're dealing with. This is Cincinnati, Ohio. And they have little red eyes. I don't know if you can see this one, but it might be a little too close. Well, I wish I can get that to horn in on him. I want you to see their eyes. It's so gross. But it's nature. I know. Because you got these, some people are, oh, that's God's creation. Yes, it is. Here you go. It focused in now. Look at their eyes. Look at that. You see that? Oh, Father. Girl, one of these, look, one of these got down in my dress on a Sunday on parking lot church, okay? Haunting. How would you like one of these down in your dress going, ee, 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 ee? If it wasn't for this screened in porch. Ooh. That's what that is. Just nasty. Just crawling. Just taking over my sanctuary. Thank God they can't get in. Lord, make these things go away. Okay, well, that's a day in a life here in Cincinnati with Mama D. Honey, them cicadas are not my friend. One got in the car today, okay? Cicada came in, I got out. Not me. So, but they're quiet now. They're there. They're out there somewhere, but they calm down in the evening. So I'm out here on the porch enjoying myself for the rest of the evening. And listen, I don't know who else has cicadas, but you just have to deal with them. It's part of God's plan for whatever reason, if nothing else, to feed the birds. So, hey, it's your life. You love it and make the best of it. Until next time, you have a wonderful evening. God bless you. Bye bye.